everybody. I'm Bree the Plant Lady.
Hey, I'm her husband Dave.
That's my husband David. He's really my right-hand man for managing the home foodscape. And today it's like really nice out, and even though everything is yellow from pollen, David was like, I've got to start edging the beds. And this was a perfect opportunity to show what he uses. So, David, what are you holding?
I am holding my still edge definer.
This is the tool that we consider the most important investment for managing the property. The nice thing is it doesn't take a lot of time, and I don't want to say it doesn't take effort because I've actually never used this tool before, but is it hard?
It's not very hard.
There you have it. And really the thing is it cuts this really beautiful deep edge that makes it really easy to distinguish where your landscape is versus your lawn space. Because we've got centipede turf, this runs. So if we didn't have this tool, managing the bed edges would be significantly more challenging. So David, how often do you do this?
I do it about 4 times a year.
4 times a year, and we have a substantial amount of bed edges in this landscape, but how long does it take you to do the whole yard?
The whole yard I can probably get in about 2 hours, 2.5 hours.
And you can drink a beer while you're doing it. So, there's the tip of the day. Get a still edge definer, and it will transform your ability to keep your landscape looking neat and tidy so that none of your neighbors will get pissed off at you. All of a sudden, the big grain bed looks so much more intentional because of this amazing edge.